The S&P 500 posted gains for the fifth consecutive week, taking the blue chip index to a gain of 6.5% for the year. There have been few down days so far this year. Only 3 of the 13 trading days thus far in 2019 have ended lower, as investors seemingly have forgotten the selling that dominated fourth quarter of last year. The earnings calendar began with a number of high-profile financial companies reporting lower than expected earnings. Nevertheless, the sector as a whole dwarfed the pack, climbing over 6% for the week. However, the news was dominated by politics last week, as the longest shutdown on record stretched even longer. On Saturday, President Trump made a speech in which he offered a concession of extending the Obama-era DACA program for another 3 years in exchange for the funding of a border wall. Democratic leadership immediately responded that no agreement would be made and the deadlock would continue into this holiday-shortened trading week. In trade news, a Wall Street Journal article caused rumors to swirl that the US and China were nearing some sort of trade agreement that would lift some, if not all, of the tariffs on China. These rumors were quickly refuted, yet the market traded higher on the optimism. Just across the pond, British Prime Minister Theresa May experienced a tense week as her Brexit deal was voted down by a substantial margin. She then survived the ensuing no-confidence vote and was tasked to find a new deal in the face of the impending March Brexit date. Finally, back stateside, Treasuries sold off, sending yields higher. The 10-year yield climbed 12 basis points to close the week at 2.78%.